got all my flowers ready. This third class is for the Monai. You cannot make an authentic Monai without using a third class type of flower. And the all-purpose flour is for the Shopao, although it's an assignment. And this is my my first class, the bread flour. And so one sack cost me, and that's the one sack of flour. It cost me 1,040. I also bought 1 kilogram of Snow White. This is a different brand of bread flour. It's Snow White. And I have another one. The remaining from my last month's class is the Sun Moon brand. But I'm keeping that for a while because I've already tested that. So basically, we're ready to roll on Friday. So I'm not filling this container with the first class. So probably just going to fill it with what we need on Friday. And take a look at the price list today. So I think naging mas mura yung third class kasi from last year. And she gave me, I asked for the brands of the first class or bread flour that she's selling, and also the brand of third class and all-purpose AAA. Usually it would be wooden spoon ang binibenta, but this is AAA all-purpose. And magkano siya? Ooh. 90. Mas mahal pa yung white. 54 pesos. So, last year, it was 50. So, parang pareho lang din ang presyo from last year. Not that much. Pero mas mura yung third class ko ngayon compared to last year. Because last year, it was 42 pesos and it's 40 today. I mean, now. Snow White is 46. Yung Globe, 1,040, i-divide mo siya by 25 kilos. Kasi yung isang sako is 25 kilos. Pumapatak siya ng 41.60. If you order online, the one that I showed you, yung Sun Moon, that's 60 pesos. So, ang laki ng tubo, di ba? Plus the shipping pa. So, I don't recommend you do that. So, humanap kayo ng mga bakery suppliers in your palengke, in your market. So, skim milk, it's 65. The brand is Farmland. It's what they usually give you. Farmland, Baker's Best. Globe yung brand ko today. So, I have one sack of Globe. First class. Yung Wellington, look at the price of the Wellington. It's only 1,055. Pero online, that's 1,400 plus. So, yung Angel White and Snow White are another two different brands of first class. 995, 975 yung binigay niya sa akin. But, pag bibili ka ng tingi, kasi she doesn't sell for retail the Wellington and the Globe. So, if you're going to buy from her 5 kilos, she's either going to give you the Snow White or the Angel White. That's what she said. But I've tried Angel White, and it's actually pretty good. So, not that bad at all. And yung presyo naman niya, it's not that too far from each other. So, it's just a question of knowing the correct techniques to use. And they're basically the same. So watch out for my videos for my next baking hands-on session this coming Friday. But I think I will be posting it much later.